guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my lifestyle favorites of 2019 and I'm really excited to do this video for you. I'm sure you have already seen the makeup favorites of 2019, which I will leave a link below if you haven't seen it yet, but today we're going to focus on pretty much everything else outside of makeup. Here's to hoping I didn't forget anything, and without further ado, let's just jump right in. I did want to include my full skincare routine or hair care routine because I do have videos that I put out this year dedicated to just those things, and those things are pretty much still what I use. So I'm just going to show you some new things and not bore you with things you already know. So one of the new things I've added to my skincare routine is the e.l.f. Keep Your Balance Hydrating Toner. This is a lovely toner. It makes my skin feel really clean and fresh, and it is so much cheaper than my Pixie one, and I love it just as much as the Pixie one. Plus, look at this packaging. It's so cute, and like the stuff inside the packaging works too. So like, best of both worlds. Next, I have this Moroccan Magic lip balm. This is an argan and essential oil lip balm. I like it because it doesn't feel thick and gloopy. I love the scent. It smells like peppermint, and I love peppermint smelling things, so I love this little lip balm. The next thing I have is going to be really weird, and you're probably like, why does she have cotton rounds? But it's because I love these cotton rounds, and I hate when cotton rounds break apart, and these ones never do. These are the Equate premium cotton rounds, and I like them because they stay together, and it's lovely. Next, I have a Bath and Body Works shower gel, and I actually am not talking about this specific scent because of course I love it. This one is a clementine and mint leaves scent, but I just love the body washes in general because they are so packed full of scent, and it like actually lasts on your skin, and it's really nice. So I've just been really loving the Bath and Body Works shower gels. Next up, I have my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream, and this is nice because you feel greasy when you put it on, although mine does feel a little bit greasy, but that's just because I mixed my Neutrogena sunscreen in it, which is something I featured in my last year video because I'm too lazy and I don't like to put each thing on, and I can barely remember to put one thing on, moisturizer or sunscreen, so I just mix them together. But I really do like this moisturizer on its own as well. Another body care product that I've been loving is the Live Clean Cool Fresh deodorant, and I specifically love the Cool and Fresh deodorant because it feels really cooling on the skin. It's aluminum free, it's a natural deodorant, which I have switched over, and this one has been my favorite natural deodorant that actually makes you smell good, so I like it for that reason. Next, I have the Physicians Formula The Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 cleansing balm. So this is a melting cleansing balm. I like it because you don't really have to go in with 10,000 cotton rounds. Great way to reduce waste in your skincare routine, and this actually really works very, very well. So it is a cleansing balm. You rub it in your fingers and then you apply it over your face, and it breaks down all of your makeup, whether it's waterproof or a liquid lipstick. You just apply it to your face and then you just rinse it off. So I usually just keep it in my shower because it just makes the job cleaner and simpler, and yeah, this is a really great product. Next, I have two masks I'm going to show you. The first one is the Queen Helen Volcanic Ash Mask. So this is a deep pore cleansing mask. You apply it, leave it for 10 minutes. It gets nice and hard because it is a clay mask, and I feel like my skin is super clean. Like, it is hard to get it off, but once it's off, your skin feels so clean and deeply clean, like from the pores. And then the second mask I have been loving is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have a small little sample size, but I actually do want the big one. It is so nice and hydrating, and like I've tried other hydrating masks, but this one is definitely by far my favorite. And I don't actually use it as a sleeping mask. I use it for like 10 to 15 minutes and I rinse it off because I just don't want to sleep with the mask on. For hair, I'm just going to highlight two products that really help change the game for hair for me, that make it so much easier for me to do my hair. One being a wet brush. So this is a brush that you just take into the shower with you, and while you have shampoo in your hair, you comb through your hair and it gets rid of all the knots and tangles, and it's way gentler and easier on your hair than when you brush it dry or after you come out the shower. And I've been loving this one. This one is from Miniso, but many brands make these, so it's really easy to find them. And then the other hair care product I have is my Silk Hair Therapy, which I've talked to you before on my channel. This is basically something that makes your hair feel silkier. It also, I find, works as a great detangler for me at least. This is a leave-in product and it just repairs and smooths out your hair. My next favorite is this bottle. So this is a tumbler. I got it from Winners. I like it, one, because it is giant, literally. It is giant, like it's like the size of my head. So it holds a lot of water. But also, I like it because when you put ice in this, like fill it with ice and then water, your water is still cold. Literally like 8 hours later, there's still ice in it, which is crazy, but I've never had a water bottle keep anything cold for that long. Plus it has a nice straw, it's great for the environment, what's not to love? So moving on to clothes, I wear a lot of black and gray like this. It's very rare you see me wearing a color, but I did want to incorporate some whites and creams into my wardrobe because I don't actually have a lot, shockingly. And one of the things I incorporated was this white sweater. Oh my god, you can't even see it. Sweater. It doesn't look like much on the hanger, but I love it because it has these puffed sleeves. Like they go really big and then they taper at the wrist. And then it has a crew neck neckline and it's just like the cutest sweater. And I wanted a puff sleeve sweater for so long because I watch Anne of Green Gables all the time. And I found this one. And this one is actually from Dynamite. And I managed to get it during the Black Friday sale, so I got it on sale on top of that, which was amazing. I have this, I would say it's like a sweater, but it's a very thin sweater. It's a little bit longer in the back, a little shorter in the front. This is by Aerie. It is a cream color. Again, it has that nice crew neck, which I think looks really flattering for sweaters. This is a ribbed material, so it has that really cool texture to it. And the last item I have are these jeans. So these are also by Aerie. These are their mom jeans. They have rips in the knees. And then with the ends, I always like to just cuff them up because it looks a lot nicer. These are their curvy fit jeans, which are amazing. I always would buy my jeans from Old Navy because they were the only ones that sold them in tall, but then I found Aerie and they sold them in tall and curvy, and I was like, these are the perfect jeans that fit my thighs, and they're long and it's perfect. And honestly, I would never buy jeans with rips in them, but because they were mom jeans and I've never tried mom jeans before, and all the pictures I've seen of them had rips, and I thought it just looked better with the rips than it did without having the rips, I decided to step outside my comfort zone and try a pair of ripped jeans, and I love these jeans. They're so comfy. They're the comfiest pair of jeans I've ever worn. They also fit the best out of any of the jeans that I have ever bought, and they look so cute. Like, it makes me want to have more. So next is a really old looking bag, and I want to talk about this bag, not because it looks old, just like the general style of this bag. I love that it is that brown tan leather. I love the stitching in it. I love the size. It's like that perfect size that fits all your stuff comfortably, and you have a little bit of room for a little bit extra. And it's a crossbody bag. I love crossbody bags because they're so easy to throw on. I actually have another bag very similar to that, which is this one. Again, it's the same size. It's a crossbody. It has the stitching. It's that brown leather. I just think it looks so cute, and because it's like that brown color, it's almost like a neutral, and it goes with pretty much everything I own. And the other bag that I love to use is my brown leather bag because, one, I can fit so much stuff in it. It's great for like going to work, or if you are going like on an overnight trip. The leather makes it super sturdy. It makes it always look nice. And the only thing I had to do for this bag was like reinforce the ends of the zipper because they were not the best. But aside from that, I love this bag. I got it at TJmax when I went down to Seattle. Another thing I have been loving this year are these Sally Hansen's Insta Dry Nail Color. And I have two colors here, but I love so much of the colors in their line. I want to talk about the line as a whole. These one dry very quickly, as said in the name. They actually do dry very fast. I would say like 10 minutes and they're dry. They have like a nice range of colors, and that's one of the reasons I really like them as well. Also, I can use them without needing a base or top coat because I really don't like using bases and top coats, because for some odd reason when I use those, when the nails dry, they bubble up if you guys know why that happens, please let me know why. And leave me some suggestions so that that doesn't happen. Because I don't know if I'm just like applying the coat too fast or I'm waiting too long or what. It just always happens whenever I use a base and a top coat. So the colors I have here are Nude, Natural, and Taupe. And this line is really great. It's just like, they're very opaque, so you really only need one coat. Maybe two, but usually I can get away with one. And they look really nice in the nails. They dry really fast, and what more could you ask for nail polish? Up next, I have a black rain jacket. So this is from Walmart. It's just a classic black rain jacket. It's really long, it's past like my butt, and it has a nice hood. And I got it a few sizes bigger because whenever I wear rain jackets, a lot of times I wear them over my winter jacket or over sweaters and stuff because they're not necessarily warm. So I always like to have a much bigger size. And to go with those rain jackets, I have rain boots. I got these off of Amazon. They are just like simple black ankle booties. They're so comfortable. They actually are pretty wide for a rain boot. A lot of rain boots, I find, they make them pretty narrow so they stay on, but these are a little bit wider so they're a lot comfier and they stay on really well. And they look really like clean and classic. And if you live in Vancouver, you know that you need to own rain boots and a rain jacket because it rains here very often. And then last but not least, I have my dirty white Pumas, but these running shoes are so comfortable. They feel like socks almost. And I actually have another pair very similar because I thought I ruined these because I accidentally wore them to the dump when I went to go throw things out and it was very muddy. But I managed to actually get them pretty clean. But now I have two pairs, which is not bad because I love these so much. Once they die, I can take out the other pairs. That pretty much completes this video, guys. That was all of my lifestyle favorites. Honestly, I filmed this pretty quickly. Like, this still took me 20 minutes, but for how much stuff I had and compared to last year where I had like 40 minutes to like an hour of footage, this is great. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And let me know what your favorite lifestyle product this year was. Whether it was body care, skin care, hair care, clothing, cookware, just anything that you got this year that just made your year feel better, happier, that you really enjoyed. Make sure to leave it in the comments below. And until next time, guys, bye!